Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you delete your WhatsApp account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, you'll just simply have to tap into these three dots into the top right corner. Simply tap there, and after that, tap to this setting button. Now after tapping into setting, you will get to see this account option into the very top. Just simply tap to account option, and after going into account option, you will just simply have to select this delete account button at the very last. This way you can just simply tap to delete account and then you will get this section. First of all, you will just simply have to select your country, and then you just simply have to enter your phone number into this space, and then you will just simply have to tap to delete account, and after that your account will easily be deleted. This way you can very easily delete your WhatsApp account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.